Bros and hams, bro hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars. And in today's video, I'm just going to be explaining like what I do. Just going to be playing some Bedwars. I don't normally play Bedwars. Normally when I play, I like try to do a challenge or just some stupid idea and just whatever. But, you know, I'm just going to try playing normal today. Kind of a crazy idea. Never seen before yet. You know, like and subscribe. Okay, let's get right into the video. In this video, I'm just going to be telling you how to win. So the first thing you do is just get over to your neighbor as fast as humanly possible. And you let your teammate, your neighbor, be an idiot and die in the void and you get the bed. Pretty simple. What you do from this point is you look at what map this is. Now, this is well, I forget what map it is, but I think it's called Waterfall. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's loud, but essentially that's loud, and essentially what you do is, since these diamonds are on your way to mid, you go get diamonds, and then you go to mid. It's like a two-step process. It's pretty great. Hopefully I have enough blocks to get back. I have 3. So while you're at mid, you get all these emeralds, and you'll get 8. And what you do with those emeralds is always up to you. So let's get back to my base, and I can tell you what you can do with them. So with these 8 emeralds, you can do one of many things. Now, first of all, you can go and you can like get diamond armor or a sword or a bow or ender pearls or pots or obsidian. But those options, some are good, some are bad. So what you gotta do is you gotta analyze your situation. Okay, we got 3 teams, reds on blue, so that we don't need to worry about them. We gotta worry about white and green. So those teams are 2 threats, and we can just get 2 pearls for them, okay? That's fine. So green just got killed by white, which means white is probably not their base, and we can go over there and get them. And this is, I wanted to get pearls because pearls are just great for this type of occasion, you know. Oh, yeah, green died again, and yep, that's great. So I'll be building over to white's base unless I see white died, and I'll pearl over, but white has not died. White killed green, which is amazing. I'm actually going to put one of these pearls back because my whole plan was that green, I was also going to need a pearl over there, but it turns out I don't need to because he's not even there. White's over at yellow, which is pretty great. I'll go over there. White and blue are still fighting, so I don't need to worry about them. I have a knockback stick, so my best plan would be to knock him off, but then I also need to like have an actual plan. And that's a psych. Oh, I suck. He's actually kind of decent. So when you're going against good players, there's 2 things you can do. A, you can give up, or B, you can not give up. And for me, I'd prefer to not give up, because then I still have a chance at winning. But yeah, basically that's it. Okay, this guy is going to go over here. Which way is he going to go? Is he going to go that way so I can fireball him off? No, he's not. I don't know how to fireball off. Wait, is red gonna... Is that guy gonna come to me, bro? Don't do that. Oh my gosh. Come on. White was right there. Gosh. That missed? How did that miss? It should have landed right on it. White is going to get your bed red, and white's gonna win because he's gonna have like diamond armor. It's gonna actually be a tryhard. See, I told you, red, you're an idiot. What are you doing? Red seems bad, so he's probably gonna, yeah, he's gonna do that. Look, he's bad. He's so bad. Like, come on. I don't get how my fireball didn't kill that guy. Oh, you guys are so low. You guys are so low. Yes, die. That's easy. Not even close. Wasn't even a close game. Easy. Easy. Subscribe. Bad. Dab on him. Not even close, dude. So there's 2 types of Bedwars players. There's the chess player and there's the Monopoly player. The difference is the chess player is very strategic with their actions, and the Monopoly player just wants to own everything, okay? And I am the Monopoly player, okay? I just gotta own everything, okay? Did you place a TNT down? Yes, you did. Thank you for the bed. And, okay. And I killed him. It's okay. I drove so much fear into him, he just gave up. I told you, those were the 2 options, remember? When you're against a good player, the 2 options you have are either give up or don't give up. And he chose option number 1, so RIP for that guy. So this is the same map, and we're in the same situation, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go towards mid, get the diamonds, get the emeralds. It's gonna be a GG. So after spending an eternity at mid, I now have 7 diamonds and 12 emeralds, and that's a lot. So what I can do is get that, which is a lot of stuff, and get that, and that's a lot of stuff. If I die now, that is sad. One thing I want to mention is that you got to build from diamond gen from not your base. So do it from like the other base, because if you want someone who's going for your base to have like to spend the most time going for your base. So yeah, so right now I'm going to analyze the situation, and pink right here is bad. He has no neighbor. He killed him, and okay, sir, you That's not cool. I'm gonna go over here and just hopefully kill this guy. See, I just have so much stuff, it's not even close. And this guy right here, look. He was stupid and built to the diamond gen from his base. And look, it's so stupid. It's stupidly stupid. And you're dead. And look, I'm gonna get your bed. I'm gonna eat this gapple. I'm gonna go on top of your base. And look, he's just not gonna be able to do anything. He's gonna run away. Sir, that is not cool. Dude, okay, I blocked him off anyway. It's fine. Okay, yellow and green are still fighting. How? How is that a thing? Okay, I'm just gonna boop over there. Hopefully get this guy's bed. Hopefully if you can just get off, that'd be nice. Yes, and that's a bed right there. And that should be another death. Yes. So teams left are red, green, and me. And I don't really... It's kind of a strange situation, because red is all the way like somewhere, and I am a little bit scared of them, but green's also right here, so that's fine. Yeah, red's right there. That's not a good idea. That worked. That was impeccable. He only had 1 emerald. That is weak. I wasted so much. And that's your bed. And you're dead. I actually don't even know if I'm like helping you guys out at all by playing this game. I'm just kind of saying like, oh, you're dead. Now I need to go for you. You're dead. Now I'm going for you. Oh, you're dead. It's like, I don't really know. Just watch what I do and copy it. If I win, you also should win. This guy's right here. Look at him. He's going to die now. Am I going to do the same thing I did to you like a while ago? And you're going to die now. Bye. That's not your base. That is the other base. Does this guy actually think I thought that was his base? Imbecile. What do I do with all this stuff? Boop. I got him with that. Let's go. So trash. So bad. So bad. Well, how can I toy with this guy? I want to actually like toy with him. I don't want to kill him. No, come on, purple. You're better than this. You're better than this. Wait, how can I act like I'm bad? No, please don't kill me, man. Please don't kill me. Oh my gosh. You know what? Suck it. You're gonna die now. No fun. No fun. Dude, this guy's headband is like a rainbow, dude. Dude, this guy is decked out in cosmetics. I'm scared of him. Look at him. He has a crown. He has headband, wings, cape. His skin is just amazing. It's laggy, you know. Just, wow. Dude, I told you, he's insane. So this guy over here, somehow pink died. If pink loses, that's actually surprising, because he's like 400, 500 stars. Okay, you're gonna get your bed stolen, and boom, gotcha. I didn't have any blocks. Yep, you're dead. So with this map, you don't go to mid. Okay, what you do is you just gotta like go and get diamonds. I am scared of pink. Pink actually terrifies me. Okay, I was scared of him because of his bad lighting cosmetics and his high pixel level, but now I see that he's like 500 stars, and that's just not the vibe. Okay, not a vibe. Not even close to being a vibe at all. This guy is dango miendo. Oh, frick. How'd that guy do that? You know, remember what I said? Like, you have 2 options. You can either, like, give up or not give up. Dude, this is a situation where I would say giving up is a viable solution. Please die. How is this guy killing me, dude? What is my ping, bro? He has the long arms. Those are the excuses people make, okay? You don't want to have excuses, okay? You want to just win. Normally, people would say winning is easier said than done, but I don't know about that one. Okay, so yeah, he saw that I put those diamonds there. That's kind of a rip, unfortunately. That means he probably got sharpness. I'm not 100% sure, though. And I don't even know where he went. His bed is fully exposed, though. Now I can get this thing right here. And hopefully just not die. Yeah, that would be kind of life. Of course, this guy does have, like, the most insane stuff, though. Please, why is this guy so crazy? He had a gapple. Die. Oh. I'm scared. Come on, if I can beat Fizzy, if I can beat who else? Livings. If I can beat Lembu, Given, Cool Dude 951. Just Dash. I should be able to beat this guy, right? Okay. This guy stands no chance. He is a normo. He is nothing. He is nothing. He's bad. He probably has actually good stuff. I'm scared again. Ah! Yes, that's good. That's good. And die. Please die. Yes. I'm scared. Scared. Please get to bed. Please, why is this guy so good? Please, stop being good. I will do everything in my power to prevent this guy from being good. It's not that hard. Okay, I'm not scared. I'm kind of scared. I'm a terrible random. I'm a such speed fan. Oh, shoot. I don't even like watch such speed. Okay. This isn't such speed skin at all. This is just a dragon. It's just a dragon, man. Okay, he's just kind of disrespecting the dragon gang, but it's okay. He's trash. Remember, he's trash. We said this. We established this already. He is trash. I already got his bed. He is trash. He's like all the way over there. That is scary. Aqua, stop. What are you doing? Aqua? Please get him. I don't want to go against this guy. Yes, I got him. Let's go. Aquabed was killed by pink, which means Aqua's pretty far from blue, though, so I got a lot of time, honestly. Alright. So he's all the way over there, which means I have time, I think. Not 100% sure. I'm not really good at this game, as I said multiple times and before. Please die. Is that death? GG. Okay, so I think after absolutely sweating my buttocks off in that last round, I'm gonna call it a quits because I'm absolutely shaking. I'm pretty sure my heartbeat is like 1,000,000 and my blood pressure is like super risen. Like I don't know. But guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, catch you on the flip side.